circadian rhythm basically is a sleep moderator, right? And this works with the melatonin, which induces emotions. So a prime example is you may walk into a coffee shop, you may meet a girl. Like one of my biggest infatuation at one time was what is love? A brand would pay thousands and thousands of dollars for the value of keywords. So,
to like braid it or
I don't. At this length, it'll break me sometime, right? Then we have panpsychism or panpsychism. I could never pronunciate a lot of it that has no intrinsic meaning.
In linguistics, and while studying tonality, if you get into phonetics and phonology in linguistics,
to significant, convert the insignificance to significance. So in art, you have something called composition.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.